Okay, example number 3. So a bag has 3 green, 2 red, 5 purple, 10 white, and 5 black marbles. So we have 3 green, 2 red, 5 purple, 10 white, and 5 black marbles. And 3A is what is the probability of choosing a black marbles? So the total marbles in the bag is 25. So that is 3 plus 2 plus 5 is 10, plus 10 is 20, plus 5 is 25. So this is the total number or marbles in the bag. So we have 25 marbles in the bag. Okay. So the total black marbles is equal to 5. So ito yun. 5 lang yung 5 marbles natin. So the probability of choosing a black marble is equal to 5 by 25. So yung total number ng black marbles natin ay 5 and yung total number ng marbles is 25. So we have 5 by 25 or 1/5. Reduce natin sa lowest term tong 5 over 25, that is divided by 5, both numerator and the denominator. So we have 1/5. Okay. Next, same given pa rin. So what is the chance of picking a red or green marble? So what is the chance na makuha natin ay red o kaya ay green marble? So meron tayong 2 red at 3 green marble. So i-add natin yung dalawang yan. So that is 3 plus 2, that is 5. So the number of red and green marble is equal to 5. So the probability of picking red or green marble is 5 by 25. So 3 plus 2 is 5. That is the total number of red and green marble, and then 25 is the total number of marbles natin. So that is 5 by 25. Or again, reduce natin sa lowest term, divided by 5, both numerator and the denominator. So we have 1/5. Okay, next. Let's move on to question 3C. What is the probability of choosing a brown marble? So kung makikita natin dito, sa mga marbles natin wala namang brown, di ba? Walang brown. So there are no brown marbles in the bag, and the probability of picking or choosing a brown marble is 0 by 25, or 0 divided by 25, that is equal to 0, and that is impossible to happen or to occur kasi wala namang brown marble dito. So pag impossible to occur, that is 0. Okay, next number 3D. What is the probability of choosing any colored marble? Okay, so since lahat naman ito ay colored, even the white is colored pa rin yan, colored white. So that is the total number of the colored marble is equal to 25. So the probability of picking any colored marble is 25 by 25, or that is equal to 1. That is sure na lalabas yan, or we call that certain to happen. Certain to happen or certain to occur. Okay? Lalabas at lalabas yan kahit na alin ang mabunot mo dyan. Meron at merong lalabas na colored marble. Okay.